How you going, guys? Today we're installing 7 Dahua cameras at a Strata complex here in Fremantle. Come with me and I'll show you what we're doing.
Alright, let's go.
Hey Anthony,
Oh, mate.
what are you doing here? Oh, right on the phone, Riley on the phone.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
So what we are doing today?
Hey guys, just putting up some cameras here in Freo. Yeah, good job.
How does it go, Anthony?
Good, mate. Hopefully
Everything's smooth?
smooth. Very smooth.
Beautiful, man.
What?
Say something. That's it. Putting his head on there on a conduit.
Hey guys, today we've just finished installing 7 of the new 6 megapixel Dahua cameras. With 110 degree vision, they're perfect for commercial and residential uses.